Hey baby, why don't you tell us what we're doing?
We are taking apart the Minervas so I can put the freaking dish lips on it.
Don't strip it now, because that would suck. Well, I don't need to tell you that because you've been doing wheels for...
I've been doing wheels for like 17 years.
17 years?
How old am I? Yeah, about
Yeah,
17 years.
Yeah.
17 years. I'm not kicking it because I don't... Just kick it?
Yeah, just kick it.
It's not coming out.
All the pressure is out.
Yeah? That did nothing.
I think you hit it harder.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. You should do it. Oh! $25.
$25.
I'll put this on the chair.
So I was like, damn.
Oh, what? Oh. Right here.
No, you
Yeah.
gotta put it in from the front.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty stupid.
It's pretty stupid.
Okay. How do I do it? Just like this?
Yeah, just line it up
Oh.
with the valves. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta paint them, yeah.
Yeah.
They look good though. I think they look sick. These are the rears? This looks
Yeah,
like
this
the
is
rears.
the rear.
That could be potentially a lot worse.
But they stay on the phone, yeah. And then it's all yellow, yeah. On the doors, all yellow. Yes. Yeah, and then oh shoot, hold on, try my back.
Blaine is sanding down the runs inside Bailey's door right now.
No more runs. Bailey said he's walking now.
Huh?
No more runs, he's walking now.
No more runs, I'm walking now. Christine's like, why are you walking?
Hey, this thing is really good.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna try and spray my faces.
Okay, go then.
Can't wait.
Oh, actually, you might want to put it inside the garage and then, cause the wind.
Yeah, that's very true. I'm so tired. Okay. Oh,
Like, this is my 10th time moving these pieces today.
I know. And why do these faces gotta be 300 pounds? Okay. My cardboard. Huh? What? The lacquer thinner. Bro, this thing works wonders, brother.
It works wonders. It's wonderful.
Bro. This thing works wonderful. It's wet, but it's dry.
It's dry, but it's wet.
Bro, the thing comes out like
Wet.
but you go like this and it's dry. Bro, my hands is wet, but now it's dry. That's not. What is that really? Like, why is it?
Is it super metallic?
No. I don't know why. Why is it like that? Why is it coming out like that?
Try it. Do you shake it?
Why are you painting the freaking floor, bro?
Oh.
Put cardboard. Just Bailey, stop! Just put the face on this part. Why are you putting the red part?
Okay, cause time. Cause look. Okay. Bruh, okay, okay, I just need to see because I don't know how to do spray paint. It's coming out like that. It's coming out like weird.
What? It's like splattering, yeah?
Yeah. Can we see this one? Like, why is it, that one's
Try
not
that
bad.
can, see if it shoots the same.
Why is it? Yeah.
Why are you spinning that?
Huh?
Why are you spinning that?
No, I'm taking the red off.
Why?
Cause.
That's why it's spraying bad, because you're taking the red thing off.
What do you mean?
Give me that. Put
Are
the
you
red
sure?
thing back in.
This thing?
Did you take it off? You're not supposed to take that thing off.
I just took it off.
Leave it in there.
Oh, there's a hole in it.
Oh, I thought it was a stopper. stopper.
I thought it was a stopper too.
Both of you guys. That's why it's spraying.
Okay, where's the red stuff? I threw the red stuff. Okay.
Oh, it's so much better.
Tell me if I did that. I think. I guess. I guess. Oh.
It looks so funny when you do anything.
Shut up, Dad. You're Christine. Just 945 more to go. It'll take like 5 hours. Oh my gosh. How much more? I got more.
So it's now about 5:50ish, almost 6 o'clock. Bailey finally got everything back together. He's been working hard all day.
Yes, sir.
So now we're gonna be putting the wheels on the car, finally.
Dude.
Black is nice, but look at how dirty the car got. How dusty.
You said I can't wash it, yeah? Then you better be able to take this one out.
Ew.
That looks sick. Bro, that's crazy. I never check my lug nuts. Christine came up with these.
So stupid.
Sheesh. After we put these on, we're gonna we're gonna decide if I want to buy them.
And then if not, Bailey's gonna swap them all back today.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Okay, the last
The
one.
last one, boys and girls. God eyes and sisters. Fingerprints everywhere. Oh yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, that's perfect. And then I crack it. There. Okay, now.
Oh, you should put the Z emblem. Yeah.
Good.
What the heck?
Bro, this thing looks so sick, man.
Oh,
This thing looks so freaking sick.
let's just stay home and we'll do my car next. Have my car laid out tonight too.
Oh, this thing looks so sick.
What happened?
Something's loose.
What did it look like?
It was like this, like the wheels were gonna fall off.
Oh, for real?
plate.
It's the spacer.
Oh, it's a spacer. Was it a spacer? What?
There's only one lug nut. There's only one lug nut on there. There's only one lug nut. Look. Look. There's only one lug nut in there.
You're so stupid. Bro, how are you expected to get home? Bro, I need to check the other side, bro. That's crazy.
You wouldn't mess your whole car up if it fell out the car.
I kind of heard it too when he took that turn. It was like chunk, chunk, chunk. And I was like, what the heck? Yeah. I thought that too.
Daily, I cannot. Daily put one freaking.
That's what happened when we tested it. And then, oh frick. I was wondering why I had so many lug nuts. No, but dude, we were debating on checking too, huh?
Yeah, but then you were like.
I was like, nah, dude.
It was like, it should be good.
This side is good.
Yeah, I did that one. Yeah, you know me. Let me check this. Oh, is this a socket you guys use?
Yeah, I think so. It looks tight. He's gonna check it. They're all there.
Oh.
It's so loose.
Woo, I enjoyed this part so much. I had to do it again.